Well, I haven't put out a video for a while. It's been summertime, been busy. It's been extra hot here in the garage. But I have been doing some work on the trailer. And in this video, I'll be doing the electrical, the plumbing, and insulation. So, hope you enjoy. Now we're installing the water pump, water lines, and the filler line and the vent. So let's get to it. Well, I got the inside all insulated, all the plumbing's finished, the electrical's finished. Now it's time to start the interior finishes. So we're going to start out with the ceiling. I have some tongue and groove out here. I got a bunch of tongue and groove pine I'm going to use. So here's a good look at the inside. I did use a mixture of the foam backboard and fiberglass. I use the fiberglass in the tough to get areas around the electrical, plumbing and stuff. Yeah. I got water line here for the sink, DC power for the oven, and some AC power over here for the refrigerator. These wires here, those are for the water pump. And I have some more wires over here. Those are the light switches for the back deck and the inside. And another AC plug. Here's some exterior light switches. And a swamp cooler up front there with the AC plug underneath it for the swamp cooler. Alright, well, let's get to the ceiling.